This tutorial is on externally referencing an image. So if we open CAD and start a new drawing, we'll start with our BTEC 2 drawing template. Let's start drawing on the 8 scale grid. Okay, so to externally reference an image or a drawing, we'll type xref, and once this dialog box is opened, we can select the kind of image we want to import, which is an image or a JPEG. Let's start with a Yale Art Gallery 3rd floor plan. We want to specify on screen, so let's just hit OK. And let's draw the image here. Okay. The grid just helps you see what your drawing would look like in Paperspace. So that's pretty much what it would look like with your title block at that scale. But let's make sure that the picture is to scale with our SC command. Just type SC for scaling. Sorry, we want to scale it with a reference. So first we need our reference line. This image actually doesn't have the dimensions, but at this point I'm sure you guys have seen the drawing so many times that you know that from A to B it's 41 feet and 6 inches. So we'll just draw our reference line. Let's make it red. I'll enter from here out. Just make sure ortho's on and type 41.5 feet. Okay, so it's almost the scale. We'll just have to scale it down a bit. We can type DI to make sure that this is a 41.6 line. Okay. So we'll select the edge of the image, type SC, enter. CAD's going to ask us 4 questions when it comes to scaling with a reference. First, it's going to want to know what our base point is. Then it's going to want to know if we have a reference, and then it's going to ask us the length of the line we want to reference and scale down, and then it's going to ask us the new length of the line. So after we specify our base point, we'll click on reference, and then the reference length is from point A to B here, and the new length is the endpoint of the line we just drew. So we've just scaled the image up, and now we know that it's to scale, and it's pretty much gonna look like this in Paperspace. Okay. Let's try importing the Ford foundation plan, also an image, so we don't have to change anything here. Just click on the image and bring your file in. Let's put it over here. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay. First, again, we're going to find a distance on the image that we can reference. With L, enter, we're going to draw a line that's 12 feet and 8.5 inches tall. So we'll start here at 12 feet and 8.5. Okay, so we're gonna have to scale the image down. DI will make sure that it's the right length. Okay, so again we'll select the edge of our image, type SC, enter, specify the base point, click on reference, specify the reference length, which is from this bubble here to this bubble here, and the new length is the end of the line we just drew. And if your line seems to disappear behind the drawing, you just have to select the edge of the image and type draw order and send this image to the back to be able to see your line again. This really helps because it saves you from having to unload the drawing and reload it if you need to still have the reference